Affiliate marketing for beginners. $0 to $2,000 a month. Most people think affiliate marketing is dead. They're wrong. I'm about to show you exactly how to make $2,000 a month starting from zero. And I'm going to break down the real strategy that actually works in 2024. Here's what surprises most people. Affiliate marketing isn't about tricking people into clicking links. It's about solving a specific problem for a specific group of people and getting paid a commission when they buy the solution. That's it. And the best part? You don't need followers. You don't need a massive email list, you need strategy. I'm going to walk you through 3 core pillars that take people from complete beginner to $2,000 a month. Real numbers. Real timeline. No nonsense. Pillar 1. Choose the right niche. This is where 90% of people fail immediately. They pick a niche based on what's trendy instead of what's profitable. You need 3 things intersecting: high commission products, buyer intent, and low competition. Most niches fail because people chase volume instead of profit. Let's look at real numbers. If you're promoting a $5 product with a 2% commission rate, you're making 10 cents per sale. You'd need 20,000 sales to hit $2,000 a month. That's impossible as a beginner. Instead, look at financial products. A Fidelity brokerage account referral pays $50 to $100. A VPN subscription pays $15 to $30 per customer. A project management software like Monday or Asana, $150 to $300 per sale. Here's my exact framework. Go to Amazon Associates. Check the commission rates. But skip Amazon. Instead, go to Commission Junction, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Look for products in these categories: personal finance, software, online courses, and SaaS tools. Finance products win because people who are actively looking to invest, open a Roth IRA, or fund a brokerage account are ready to buy. They have money. They're committed. Pick one niche. Just one. Don't spread yourself thin across 5 different topics. Pick something you can write about 30 times without dying inside. That's your starting point. Pillar 2. Build content that ranks. Forget building an audience first, that's backwards. Build content that ranks on Google and gets free traffic. Then monetize that traffic. You need 10 to 15 pieces of content ranking in the top 50 Google results for buyer intent keywords. That's the target. Here's what that looks like. You're writing comparison articles. Fidelity versus Robinhood versus E-Trade. You're writing detailed reviews. Best Roth IRA providers for beginners. You're writing problem solution content. How to start investing with $100. Each article should be 1,500 to 2,000 words. Detailed. Helpful. Affiliate links naturally placed where they make sense. Not spammed everywhere. The math is simple. If you rank 10 articles in top 30 Google results, and each gets 200 organic visits monthly, that's 2,000 visitors. If you convert just 0.1% into clicks to your affiliate link, that's 2 clicks. If half those clicks convert to sales at $150 commission per sale, you're at $150 monthly per article. 10 articles times $150 equals $1,500. You're close to $2,000 already. And that's conservative conversion numbers. How long does this take? 6 to 12 months to rank 10 articles. That's the truth. It's not instant, but it's consistent and it compounds. Pillar 3. Convert traffic into commissions. Getting traffic is half the battle. Converting that traffic is where money actually happens. Your affiliate link can't just sit in the middle of an article with zero context. You need to solve the actual problem the reader came for. Build trust first, then mention the product as the solution. Let's say someone searches best brokerage for beginners. They land on your article. You're explaining the difference between active and passive investing. You're explaining what a brokerage account does. You're explaining fees. Then, naturally, you say, based on all these factors, Fidelity is the best choice for beginners because of their zero fee structure and educational resources. That's contextual. That's useful. That converts. Also, use disclosure properly. The FTC requires it. Not because you're trying to hide something, but because transparency builds credibility. Readers know you're recommending a product. They respect that honesty. Track everything. Use UTM parameters. Know which articles convert, which keywords bring buyers, not just browsers. 2,000 clicks from window shoppers gets you $0. 100 clicks from serious buyers gets you $2,000. Your action plan. Pick your niche this week. Not next month. This week. Spend 5 days researching affiliate programs. Write down 5 products with decent commissions in that niche. Start writing. 1 article. 2,000 words. Publish it. Rinse and repeat for 3 months before you expect to see real revenue. Then watch it compound. This works because it's simple and it's patient. Most people quit at month 2. If you stick to month 4, you'll be ahead of 95% of people who try this. If this strategy clicked for you, hit subscribe. I'm releasing a detailed niche selection checklist next week that shows exactly which niches are crushing right now. You don't want to miss it. Start today. $2,000 a month is waiting.